Hello and welcome to our fourth video in our Traffic Avalanche Secret series, leveraging the viral concept. We're going to expand on how to use viral videos to drive tons of eager traffic to your site, and by adding advanced video features to the movie that we started in video 3. We're also going to show you how to finish up and produce the new video. Now with our titles and credits and our pictures in place, our movie is about ready for some transitions. And what transitions are these small spots on the storyboard that you can put in some visual effects and make your movie a little more visually appealing and snazzy. So what you're going to want to do is click on transitions, and that brings up all these different ones that Microsoft has put in for you. What I like the bow tie myself. You could use different ones. Just my opinion, it seems like it's a little more professional to use the same every time, but you can mix it up a little bit if you want to. But what you do is you just grab the transition and put it down here, and just keep dragging these. We'll go ahead and set these up. And it does take up a little bit of resources to do this, to render this video. And we'll grab the last in between each one of the screens, and if you want, you can drag your movie back to the beginning and click play, and you can see it'll go from slide to slide, but then transition in between each one. Okay, now that we have all of our transitions, images, and title screens into our video, we're going to import some background music to make it a little more polished and professional. And what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to switch from storyboard view to the timeline view. And you just click the down arrow and choose timeline, and then that shows you your movie in timeline view. We're going to come up to import and click audio or music, and I have a song that I have rights to use in videos or so forth. You'll want to go out. You can search the internet for royalty-free music or waves, MP3, just sound clips that you can use in your videos, and there's lots of them out there. This one's a nice one that sounds good in the background. Now that you have it, you've imported it and it's in your menu, what you're going to do is right click and then add to the timeline. And what that does is that brings it up, and you can see this line. This is the music and the sound levels and everything that's in there. Now what you'll see is you have a song that's a little longer than the movie. So what you're going to want to do is come here, and you're going to want to hover here. You want to click this arrow, hover, and it'll say click and drag to trim the clip. And you click it and bring it back, and it'll kind of snap to the edge of the movie. Right click and then do a fade out, and it won't just. And let's drag it back to the beginning, and now that we have that, and you can see there now we have the music in the background as the video is playing. Okay, now we have everything in place. The music is going to play in the background. What we're going to do is we're going to click to finish up and publish this as a Windows media file. What you're going to do is you're going to choose the option of where do you want to publish the movie on this computer. Now you could put it on a CD or into email or into a video camera, but in this video we're going to just do it on this computer. Click next, and I'm just going to have it published to my videos folder, and we're going to name it PPC Marketing, and you could browse to a different folder if you wanted to. And generally you could, if you wanted to research how to do different compression ratios and so forth, you could change that, but just leave it as best quality for playback on my computer, and then click publish. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and render back when this is all set. And the movie has now finished rendering, and what we can do is we'll click finish, and you can have this play movie when I click finish, but I'm going to uncheck that and just finish up here. And what I'll do is pause the video and just open it up in Windows Media Player. And I'll be right back when we're finished with opening that up. Okay, now that we have our movie all rendered and ready to go, let's take a look at my video folder, and we can see that we have the PPC marketing video. It's a Windows Media Audio video file, which is a WMV format, and 640 by 480 frame width and height, which is a good size to upload to the video sharing sites like YouTube. Let's go ahead and play this and take a look at how it worked out. And you notice how the transitions, the slides to transitions, everything to the pictures goes real smooth, and the sound in the background makes for a nice, well-rounded video. And we also get that visit mywebsite.com. You'll want to have that, and just to promote, get traffic to all your sites. You might want to be getting traffic to maybe a squeeze page or a lead capture page where you're getting newsletter signups, or possibly selling a product or giving away a product for free. The idea behind this is to get traffic. And we'd like to thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned a nice, easy, and free way to create videos, and how to get them, how to make them to possibly drive lots of traffic to your sites. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.